If it's giving what it's supposed to, I'ma put it on helium.
Push a P, cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spotted puff rap, never please. Drop the data, now we plant. Exotic bees.
Sir, I'm gonna try this thing on a wig because every time I look up this thing, all I seen was white girls. No shade to the white girls. I don't know if this gonna work on me. For all the girls, all the WOCs out there that wanna know the same thing, I'm gonna be showing y'all today. We're gonna see how this works. And then you're supposed to get it even. You're supposed to wrap it like so. So, and then take this side and, oh shit. I'll watch some more videos on how to do this shit. Okay, yeah, so I figured out how to do it. There you go, now you can't move. Ha ha ha. They said to wrap this part around here so it's secure. This is not how you're gonna leave it, but this is just how you're gonna put it for right now. And then I'm gonna take one of the scrunchies that it came with, and I'm just gonna tie it around for right now. I'm gonna take this side, wrap it, and then bring it so it's facing towards your face again. Then I'm gonna grab another strand and then wrap that around so it's facing your face again. And then you just keep doing that until you get it all the way down.
Yeah.
Boom. Now we got it all the way down. Now I'm gonna curl it up like a flexi rod. I'm gonna get this other scrunchie that I came with, and I'm gonna tie it around here. And boom, that's that side. Looking fabulous, darling.
And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out.
Alright, now I'm completely done. This is how it should look in the end. It should look like a little crown. And now I'm gonna wait till the hair dries. I'm gonna come back in the morning and we're gonna see what it looks like.
If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side.
It really worked. Hold on on that. Hold on. Let's see what it's giving. Actually, let's finger comb it first. No, why is this really actually giving? I can just see how pretty this is gonna be on. This really worked. I like it. So now I'm about to go put it on. And we're gonna do a little time lapse of that. I forgot to start recording, sorry.
shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, now you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, going crazy. Weezy produced it.
So, I did not think this was gonna work. I mean, I did, but I didn't think it was gonna work this good. Like, this looked like I put the goddamn curling iron to that hole, and I ain't had to do nothing but let it sit. I think the curls are very defined. They gave me some curls, and they really ain't going nowhere. Like, I can curl my hair with a hot iron over and over, and they would just keep falling. And as soon as I do this, the curls will fall. But I use this thing. I'm touching the curls, I'm flipping the curls for the girls, I'm doing everything, and they still here. So we like it. So yeah, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. I'm always gonna use this. I'm gonna see how it works with my real hair in another video. If y'all wanna see me do that, comment down below, because I wanna try this on my U-part wig, my DIY U-part wig. But yes, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for when I post a new video. And comment down below and tell me if you guys are gonna buy this, and comment down below and tell me if this video was helpful. I'll catch you guys next time.